Apex News, India, Northeast.
Kublai Pibro, Kanegade Apex News India, Kikborn Puli, Pibakor Dor Marbo. Tingin ni Pai Shoi Shikimat Kibakongsan. Babania. Ka National Board of Examination kalapan here ya ka NEET BG R1000% nakabenta ki ka tu ka ni ki receive category ban pendap ya ki leftover MD but MS seats. Hikirtong nakikirdan SC but ST ki basyuan siya ka examine menta ki layo ya kini ki jaka balay. Da ka bapedyang ya ki score ki baret hado -40. Kajing penkelaya kiker dan general category bakelum kadang sa haka 7%. Kidikot jong ka medical fraternity kila penpau ya kajing kuslay da ka bamaham bakum kini kitsin jam kila ban ketajur ya ki academic but professional standard lani hakiker dan puli but hakakam.
The government has reduced the qualifying percentile for leftover postgraduate medical seats to below 0 for reserved category candidates. This means aspirants with negative scores are now eligible for admission to MD and MS courses after 2 rounds of counseling. For general category candidates, the cutoff has been fixed at the 7th percentile. Medical professionals have criticized the move, warning that the absence of any minimum qualifying benchmark could weaken academic standards and eventually impact patient care.
Ka India kamla ban pinduna shibun ya ka jingwanra ya ka umpnyang na Russia watla kala bandan ka jingbo dor ka bahe baha kumba laterwa daw president ka US u Donald Trump. Kat kum ka jingong jong ka company pejbenya ka energy analytic firm player kala khmi identi baka India kanwanra kumba iwe 0.9 million barrel ka umpnyang Russia hakashisngi jong ubanay kalalingkot. Ka umpnyang Russia kadang beteng banlong kababenya bat kamkring hakaliang kayo kakot. Kabadi hakador kaba prahadu $10 shi barrel kaba yanujor bat kakirdan jongkari Middle East. Kihe sarkar ki penpau biang baka jing penbiang boarding jongka India kadang long kaba kong santam.
India's crude oil imports from Russia are set to remain resilient in January, despite proposed US legislation seeking to impose steep tariffs on buyers of Russian oil. According to real-time data from Kepler, India is likely to import around 1.3 million barrels per day. Russian crude continues to be highly attractive for Indian refiners, trading $8 to $10 per barrel cheaper than competing Middle Eastern grades. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, New Delhi is prioritizing energy security and economic rationality, signaling that strategic decisions will be guided by national interest.
Ka Pakistan bat ka Bangladesh, kinom shimbanta haka Commonwealth Speaker Conference kabadang zdangpli padba haka santarik ukalalingkot. Kadba ka Pakistan kamsyam la shakhat, bat kari Bangladesh pat kansa haka kinti kabamenta namar baka parliament jongka kamsyam la syong dorbar ne don hakini ki bor bamenta. Ya kaniga jingja lapet kum kadak kabashay jongka jingye pair diplomatic na New Delhi hakabayade pat ka jinglong jongka hakathan.
India has not invited Pakistan and Bangladesh to the upcoming Commonwealth Speakers Conference, set to be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on January 15. While Pakistan has been excluded from the event, Bangladesh will not participate as its parliament is currently not in session. The conference will focus on key global issues such as artificial intelligence and strengthening democratic institutions. The move reflects a shift in India's diplomatic posture, placing both neighbors on equal footing amid growing regional and political concerns.
Uhe Shipai Chief General Upendra Dwivedi ulaong baka Indian Army kabut ya ka policy jong ka gender neutrality henry ya ka gender based parity. Ula kado kadba ka imlang salang kadang beteng ban pintrikam ya ki institution bat ki an ki bayade bat ki shinrang kanthay henry ki operational reality bat ka jing so jong ki medical team menta kidang pen bet put ya ki kat tu kat ni ki rai shapang ka jing pen kendria kam hapo ka army
same. And if the India as a nation, society is ready to accept, it can be done tomorrow. I have said earlier also, Kali Mata ka roop. Women cannot be seen as a vulnerable commodity. It has to be strong enough. So, if we look at our society as of today, the society still has got girls' schools, girls' colleges, boys' colleges, and the laws also which are there are of a particular kind. As the army is concerned, army is looking at not gender equality, army is looking at gender neutrality. But today I am not able to ensure gender neutrality because there are medical authorities which do not allow me, and the team of composition where the females also, they say no sir, presently it's not possible. I'll give you the example of CPT 26 which I was talking about. I was wanting the standards to be same, but I have not been able to make sure because there has been no positive indications from those females who are serving also. So now what I am doing, I am having this super excellent column.
Uhe shipai ulapan mi yaka jing maham ka bating hakaba ulapan pau ba pratali ki kitemleno kidang yay beteng ha Pakistan. Nriu tali shashiliang ka line of control but artali hajan uput usam jong ka international border. Ula banjol ru ba kanu ka jingele persha ne ka jing penchitom onya kandu kat kum ka jing ya pair but ka jinglong jong ka jing penchitom provocation ne ka jinglong jong ka jing penyaki.
मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि जितनी खबर हमारे पास है तकरीबन 8 कैंप्स अभी भी हमारे ऐसे नॉलेज में हैं जो कि एक्टिव हैं, जिसमें से 2 तकरीबन आईबी के अपोजिट हैं और 6 एलसी के अपोजिट हैं। और इन कैंप्स में तकरीबन अभी भी हम समझते हैं कि किसी प्रकार की प्रेजेंस या ट्रेनिंग है, तो इसलिए हम उसके नज़र रखे हुए हैं, उसकी खबर कोशिश करते हैं हासिल करने की, और अगर कोई ऐसे दोबारा हरकत हुई तो हम जरूर उसको, जो हमारा इरादा है, हम उसको जरूर अंजाम देंगे।
Hamatura uwe unongnya Erikshaw ubala shapu haubusen ubadan yakabi Venumia Snake ulapoy Shaka District Hospital banwat jingerap badban yo jing sumar haba kinong tre jongka hospital kilakali shaphang uni ubusen layathu ba ute uburiu ulapan mi ubusen ubaim nakajaket jong u kaba lapan long ikipad ba bakin tiang hakate ka jaka sumar Om Shamla don kanu ka jing men saw ya kinong tre jong kate ka hospital.
क्या हो गया क्या हो गया क्या हो गया?
मैं आधा घंटे पहले आया था यहाँ पे, मैंने भैया सांप ने काट खा लिया। जेरा
कहाँ है सांप? सांप कहाँ है? दिखाओ। इसने खा लिया है आपको?
हाँ।
नहीं लेके क्यों इधर साइड में
और जेरा निशान आधे घंटे पहले आया था, मना कर दी। जब हार जाओ यहाँ से, वृंदावन से यहाँ तक आ गया, जब रोड पे जाम लगाया मैंने।
अच्छा,
यहाँ सरकारी अस्पताल में सुविधा नहीं है, कहाँ जाएगा आदमी फिर?
Ka China kalakanta ya ka jingkam jong ka India halor ka Shakskam Valley Hakathan Kashmir ka Chinese Foreign Ministry kalaong bakatay ka jaka kalong ka benta jong ka China bat ka jingte jingpenroy infrastructure development hakatay ka than kalong kababyang bada ka nongrim kabahok ni kabapura
中国和巴基斯坦已于上个世纪的60年代签署了边界协定，并且划定了两国的边界，这是中巴作为主权国家的权利。那么你提到中巴经济走廊，这是一个经济合作倡议，旨在促进当地的经济社会发展和改善民生。中巴边界协定和中巴经济走廊不影响中方在克什米尔问题上的立场，中方在这个问题上的立场没有变化。
corridor will not affect China's position on the Kashmir issue, and China's position remains unchanged in this regard.
Kabor penyat surokpa jongkari India ne ka National Highway Authority of India NHAI kalabu artli ki Guinness World Record nakabenta ki continuous bituminous concrete paving hapo ka jingelam jong umentri ka sarkar pedeng ne Union Ministry Uniti Katkari Lasyang rong hadu sispa sanpun riulin kilometer jong ka surok batlabo sanpunyo hajar sanspa metric ton kitiak da kabala bantam ya ka record menchua kabalong prapusau point sau lane kilometer. Kani ka project kadon ka jingya shimenta jong ki technology ki batan rai ha ka jingya trailang bat ka IIT Bombay.
नई परिभाषा है
jong ka Germany ula ai jingmon baka Berlin kala banyarap ya ka India ban penhiar ya ka jingshanya ha ka tanat ya dari nakari Russia. Hapo ki katu kat ni kenta ka Ministry of External Affairs jong ka India kala jubab da ka baong. Baki rai jong ka India ban thiet ya ki tiaria dari ki botang ya ka jing mentoy jong kari. Bat kim long kat kum kanu ka jingmut jing perkhan ne ka wei kari.
The approach that Germany has taken with regard to defense and security policy insofar as India is concerned. But look, our approach on defense sourcing is driven entirely by our national interests. There are a lot of factors involved in that, and it is certainly not ideological. It is entirely driven by our interests. So I would not say that sourcing from one is linked to sourcing from the other. We have a process in place that sets the requirements that we have at any given time, and we look at where in the world, if we are going to source it from outside, if we are not going to manufacture it domestically, then where can we source it from in the most convenient manner. But I don't think one is influenced by the other.
Kakenhun samyog kisen mocha kaladawa ban pelad no ya kiriu shimet kibasya keno hapo ka UAPA na kabenta sansnam ringkat bat unong yaki usonam wangchok kakenhun kalamahamru bakan penlong ya kajing yaki padba mass mobilization persya ya kanu kaliang karep karyang ne agricultural provision hapo ka jingtmu jong ka jingyete kular khai pateng kabalat luot jong ka India bat ka US kumbaki ong baka propose India-US Free Trade Agreement. Kila mahamru, bakin don kijing yakhi padba, hakari bro kaway, ladawan ra yaka electricity bill hajar apusan.
The Sanyukt Kisan Morcha has issued a strong warning to the Modi government, demanding the immediate release of a 5-year UAPA accused and activist Sonam Wangchuk. The farmers' body has also called for public mobilization against any move to open India's agriculture sector under a free trade agreement with the United States. In a sharp escalation, SKM has threatened militant nationwide protests if the Electricity Bill 2025 is introduced in the upcoming budget session. The group claims its next agitation could surpass the scale of the 2020-21 farm law protests.
Badagi tu'i kubor, nilapoy siya kabakot, tahadubang indaya siyambiyang kublay shibun.
Apex News, India, Northeast.